Fictitious interview of an eminent personality. Interview of Neeraj Chopra. প্রথমে একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন আছে নীরজ চোপড়া কে। Neeraj Chopra is an Indian track and field athlete who competes in the javelin throw. তিনি জ্যাভলিন ছোড়েন। A junior commissioned officer, তিনি ছিলেন JCO in the Indian Army. Chopra is the first track and field athlete to win a gold medal for India at the Olympics. তিনি প্রথম ব্যক্তি এই বিষয়ে তিনি স্বর্ণপদক পান অলিম্পিকে। He is also the first track and field athlete from India to win at the IAAF World Under-20 Championships, where in 2016 he achieved a World Under-20 record throw of 86.48 meter, becoming the first Indian athlete to set a world record. তিনি Under-19 রেকর্ড করেছিলেন এত মিটারের 2016 সালে। আমরা মূল বিষয়ে আসছি, এখান থেকে ইন্টারভিউর আউটপুট অফ দ্য প্রজেক্টটা আমরা লিখতে পারবো। পেজ নাম্বার 1. In an interview, 23-year-old Chopra spoke about what went right for him on his big day. যেদিন তিনি স্বর্ণপদক পান সেই দিন কি ঘটেছিল তিনি বলেছেন, The difficulties of coming back from an injury. তিনি চোট সারিয়ে ফেরত এসেছিলেন সেই বিষয়ে বলেছিলেন, and how he picked for the gold throw, এবং কিভাবে তিনি যে গোল্ডেন থ্রো তিনি অর্জন করেছিলেন তার জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিয়েছিলেন। তো আমরা শুরু করছি। এখানে দুটো ফর্মে লেখা আছে, চোপড়া কি বলছে আর ভিজিটর, অর্থাৎ যদি স্টুডেন্ট এখানে নিজের নামও লিখতে পারে, এক একটা জায়গায় এক এক ফর্মে ইউজ করা হয়। তো ভিজিটর হিসেবে এখানে দেওয়া হচ্ছে কোশ্চেনগুলো এবং চোপড়া তার উত্তর দিচ্ছে। ইন্টারভিউ শুরু হলো। Visitor, how is the feeling the day after? Did you get any sleep? পরদিন কি হলো স্বর্ণপদক জেতার পর? ঘুম কি হয়েছিল? চোপড়া, আমরা মানেটা আর বলছি না, আমি ইংরেজিটা খুব ধীরে ধীরে বলছি। Yes, I slept a bit. The night before my event, I wanted to get enough sleep so I had proper recovery, but I could only sleep around 12:30 a.m. Then I woke up at 5:30 without trying to. I thought I will go back to sleep, but it did not happen. I had too much energy, so I had a light breakfast and tried to go to sleep again. I just couldn't. I am still processing the feeling. It has not fully sunk in. তিনি এখনো আর কি জয়টা সেটাকে স্বাভাবিক অবস্থায় ফেরত আসতে পারেনি, তার কিছু মানসিক অভিব্যক্তি হচ্ছিল। নেক্সট পেজ। ভিজিটর, হাউ আর দ্য সেলিব্রেশনস ইন দ্য গেমস ভিলেজ? অলিম্পিক গেমসের যে ভিলেজ সেখানে কেমন ভাবে দেশের পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে বলা হয়েছে আর যারা অ্যাথলিট ছিল তারা কিভাবে উদযাপন করেছিল। চোপড়া, ইট ওয়াজ অ্যামেজিং, অল দ্য কন্টিনজেন্ট মেম্বার্স গ্যাদার্ড, the hockey teams are there, boxers, some other athletes and coaches are also there. They all clapped, not just for me, but all the medalists. Everyone had nice things to say, and how the experience of being in the Tokyo Olympics was for them. There was this positive feeling that the coming time for Indian sports will be even better. We are making progresses in sports. Hopefully we will keep getting better. তারা সকলে উদযাপন করেছিলেন এবং ভবিষ্যতে ভারতের স্পোর্টস বিষয়টা কতটা ভালো সেই বিষয়ে কিছু আলোকপাত এখানে আছে। নেক্সট। ভিজিটর, when you look back at last night, what clicked for you? ইন্টারভিউটা নেওয়া হচ্ছে জয়ের পর দিন। তো বলা হচ্ছে গত রাত্রে যদি সেখানে পিছিয়ে ফিরে বোঝা হয় বা তাকানো হয়, কি ঘটেছিল যেটা আপনাকে এই সাফল্য এনে দিয়েছিল, রহস্যটা কি? চোপড়া, yesterday was all about the work we put in for 4 years, this time for 5 years, for the Olympics, and how you compress that work into one day. 4-5 বছরের পরিশ্রম কি করে একদিনে সাফল্যের দিকে নিয়ে যাওয়া হলো। On the day of the competition, there was a time where we can achieve our peak. But it is very tough and you have to put in a lot of hard work for that. But it was that time yesterday for me where I could perform. I stayed away from my phone, away from social media, do not really want to read messages or talk to anyone. Concentration বাড়ানোর জন্য এটা করেছিলেন, সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া এবং ফোন থেকে দূরে ছিলেন। It was only a matter of 10 to 15 days, not a big deal. Kept my mind on training, on the event, visualized the throw. After the event, there was a feeling that a journey has been completed. অর্জন করার পর তার মনে হলো যে তার যাত্রাপথ তিনি যে শুরু করেছিলেন সেটা সাফল্যের সাথে শেষ করেছেন। I feel this medal will help me to do better in the upcoming competitions. পরবর্তী কোশ্চেন, ভিজিটর বলছে, You had a career threatening injury right there when you were throwing at your best. যখন ভালোভাবে আপনি সক্ষমতার চূড়ান্তে ছিলেন তখন আপনার একটা ইনজুরি হয়েছিল, আপনার কেরিয়ারটা শেষ হয়ে যাওয়ার উপক্রম হয়েছিল। And winning gold medals everywhere, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, you had to overcome that. তো ওই সাফল্যের সময় যে দুর্ঘটনা ঘটেছিল সেটা ওভারকাম করে কি করে এখানে এলেন চোপড়া। Injuries, I believe, is a part of the sport. At that time, I was worried about how it would go after surgery. It was my first surgery. I didn't know if it would be successful or not, or how the comeback would be. In our sport, the elbow is a crucial part. He had a surgery in the elbow of his throwing arm to remove bone fragments. যে হাতে তিনি জ্যাভলিন ছোড়েন সেই হাতের কোনই ফ্র্যাকচার হয়েছিল, তার একটা সার্জারিও হয়েছিল। If there is any problem with the elbow, we can't throw. It took some time to regain my strength and range, but I got good support from many people. Finally, when I was able to play, I qualified for the Olympics in my first competition. It was a tough time, but I kept myself positive, which helped me. I told myself whatever body part I needed to work on and improve in terms of fitness, this surgery has given me the opportunity to do that. Slowly we worked our way out of it. Last Olympics, I missed the qualification by just 10 to 12 days. Even the injury was a difficult phase in my life, but I got support from everyone, and today I have won this gold medal. So nothing like it. Visitor আবার কোশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করছে, Your coach, কোচের নাম এখানে দেওয়া আছে, Klaus Bartonites, said you have started to understand your body better after the injury. তিনি বলেছেন যে এই বিষয়ে জানতে চাওয়া হচ্ছে যে কোচ তো বলেছে যে আপনি আপনার শরীরটাকে ভালো করে জানতে পেরেছিলেন ইনজুরির পরে। চোপড়া, The biggest learning is that an athlete needs to know when to stop, কোন সময় থামতে হয়। To know that if I push beyond this, there could be a problem, especially when training. Often, while training, we realize that yes, there is some discomfort, that there is pain, but we don't stop. We feel the tightness and dismiss it as a minor niggle. But now I understand that recovery is very important. After the injury, I started using my mind more in sports. Visitor, you consider Jan Zelezny, the Czech world record holder in javelin, your idol. Can you talk about his influence on your game? তার আইডলের প্রভাব তার উপর কি ছিল সেটা জানতে চাওয়া হচ্ছে। চোপড়া, I love his technique, the consistency he had. He has won gold and silver in 3 Olympics. He has been a world champion. He is an absolute legend. He has thrown over 90-meter plus over 50 times. Throwing it once is maybe not so tough, but to keep doing it consistently is to keep yourselves at that level, and he did that. He was also very strong in his technique. If you look at him, his psyche might not give such an impression, but once he picked the javelin, his performance was astounding. Whenever I would get time, I would see his videos and play it over in my mind. Next question, visitor. How did you actually get a start in javelin? কিভাবে আপনার এই জ্যাভলিনের যাত্রাপথ শুরু হলো? My uncle introduced me to a sport because I was overweight as a child. I remember all those days going for training. I would just tell myself whatever is happening is fine. My job is to train and I will keep doing that. Now I feel that yes, it was a tough time for me, but back then it didn't feel so tough. I never thought I will stop. My life became occupied with only a couple of things: go to the stadium and practice, come back home, eat, then go back for training. Next question, visitor. What did you do with the medal? Medal নিয়ে আপনার কি হলো? চোপড়া, I kept the medal near me. There is supposed to be a box to keep the medal. বক্সটাও তখনও দেওয়া হয়নি, but I haven't got it yet. I kept it close to my pillow when I went to sleep. I want to show the gold medal to all of you first of all and say lots of thanks to everyone. Visitor, dialed home yet? বাড়িতে ফোন করা হয়েছে কি? Haven't talked to people at home, Avi, just yet. I saw some videos of my village. The whole village was dancing. It's the blessing of entire India that I could win gold, ending the wait for an athletics medal. We have won gold medals before at the Olympics. We have won in shooting, Abhinav Bindra, and hockey. In athletics, I feel we have missed medals by fine margins over the years. So this gold medal was important. Now that I have won, I feel we can do anything. I wasn't sure of the gold after the second throw, but knew I had thrown my best. We can't bring thoughts of gold into our minds during the competition. Such thoughts are dangerous. Then there is a risk that we may not put the required effort. But I felt that 87.58 meter was one of my better throws. Visitor, tell us about your family. তোমার বাড়ির লোকজনদের সম্পর্কে কিছু বলো। চোপড়া, it is because of my family's support that I am here. Financial support is not the only thing. They could not help me financially, but they always backed me, asking me to give my best, with them standing behind me. When I started out, being a part of the district event was a massive thing for me and my family. I never thought that I would be at the Commonwealth Games or the World Championships. All the hard work that I put in when I was young has paid off. When I look back, I have so many people to thank, and doing well in the coming weeks would be one way to repay them. Visitor, the Bhettar threat, একজন বড় অ্যাথলেটিক তার প্রতিদ্বন্দ্বী ছিলেন, তার সম্পর্কে বলা হচ্ছে। চোপড়া উত্তর করছে, people are saying that Bhettar has said that Neeraj won't be able to touch me at the Olympics. I believe that at the Olympics, world ranking don't matter. The day matters. So I didn't react to Bhettar's comments. I didn't want to say anything. I respect him. I am sad that he exited the final. I think sometimes even the biggest of athletes can't perform. But I focused on myself and gave my 100%. Visitor, was there pressure? কোনো চাপ ছিল স্নায়বিক? বা অন্য কিছু? চোপড়া: Tokyo had not seen gold for India and mine was the last event. But when I am the runway and in the event, then my whole focus is on the throw. That is the reason there was no pressure, but there was a feeling that I had to win a medal for athletics. Visitor: The moment you booked gold, যে মুহূর্তে সোনার পদকটা আপনি অর্জন করলেন। চোপড়া উত্তর করছেন: When all the last 8 athletes had thrown their 6th throw, I knew I had won gold, but I was still in competition mode. Suddenly, after I finished, everything changed. I felt like, what happened? On the runway, during the final throw, I was almost blank, but then I refocused on my run. Visitor question জিজ্ঞেস করছে: What worked the most in the run up to the Tokyo Olympics? কোনটা সবচেয়ে ভালো কাজ করেছিল টোকিও অলিম্পিকে? চোপড়া উত্তর করছে: The most important thing this year was playing in the competitions. I talked to the Federation, AFI, TOPS, Sports Authority of India. All of them supported me. The 2 to 3 international competitions I got are very important because these are the athletes competing there. Today it was Olympics, but there was no pressure on me that I was among such big throwers. It was like I had been with them, so I could focus on my throws. I had Tokyo 2020 in my mind, but then the Olympics got postponed. I took it like I have one more year to play, so I prepared accordingly. Now I have won gold. So I feel whatever happened for good. Visitor: Your journey on the recovery road after elbow surgery. কিভাবে আপনি রিকভার করলেন কনুইয়ের সার্জারির পর থেকে? চোপড়া উত্তর করছে: There were lots of ups and downs after the injury. I can't explain. There was a time when due to the injury there were problems. But everybody stayed together with me. The surgery was successful, but 2019 went to worst. Couldn't compete due to the recovery process. I had worked hard for the World Championships. I shifted my focus to the Olympics. Then COVID-19 happened. But I thank the government that I could still get some competition under my belt and qualify for the Olympics. Visitor: What is your opinion on the importance of grassroots coaching? আপনার মতামতটা কি যে একদম তৃণমূল স্তর থেকে যে কোচিংটা শুরু হয়? চোপড়া: I feel the coaches you start your journey with are the most important. They had taught you in the beginning when you didn't know anything. For javelin, they are dedicated. Joy Chowdhury is a coach in the national camp now. And there is a boy called Shahil who is throwing 80-meter plus. So he is very dedicated and wants to give his life to javelin. Whenever I play and win, I feel very happy for him. Jai, that coach. Visitor: On the role of foreign coaches and experts. বাইরের দেশের যে কোচ আর এক্সপার্টরা ছিল, বিশেষজ্ঞ, তাদের সম্পর্কে আপনার মতামতটা কি? চোপড়া: Athletics is a sport category in which you improve slowly. We give 100%. Javelin is very technical. There were technical faults in my throws when I began. I improved. Then foreign coaches came in. I made a world record at the Junior World Championships. They, foreign coaches, had experience, understood my body, made good training plans for me because they had worked with several throwers in different countries and deeply understand the technique. Visitor: Your message to youngsters. যারা আগত অ্যাথলেট আছে, বয়স কম, তাদের সম্পর্কে আপনি কি বলতে চান? চোপড়া: I think the young athletes should not only focus on competition. They also need to focus on training, and not just because the coach has given a certain plan. I always train with full focus. My biggest motivation is training because if I do well there, then I do well going ahead. There are years of hard work because of which I have reached here. এটা শেষ হলো।